Hello students, welcome to my channel, The Field of Chemistry. I am Vijay Lakshmi. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is amines, actually which is very easiest chapter in this topic. Actually comparatively all other organic chapters, this is very easy. If you learn all the organic chapters, this is the last lesson which is very easy that we are going to check. Amines. Amines are ammonia derivatives. Already I have explained in aldehydes and ketones, that is reacting with amines. One part I have explained. Hope you remember. Just to watch that video. Okay, now the amines are ammonia derivatives. Ammonia, what is the molecular formula of ammonia? NH3. One or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Alkyl or aryl group, you know very well. Alkyl means CH3. Aryl means C6H5. Hope you remember those points and all. Okay. Now, based on the number of substituent group, amines are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. So, substituent group means now, for example, ammonia, that means nitrogen as 3 hydrogen group which is present. Okay, one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl or aryl group. That means now you note it here. Ammonia I have written like this. See here, NH3 I have written in such a way, one hydrogen is replaced. That means one hydrogen is replaced means remaining how many hydrogens will be there? 2. That means what is that functional group of primary amine? That is NH2. Okay, always functional group, if you know, easily you can identify the formula. Now, primary amines are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom, actually one hydrogen atom of ammonia by alkyl or aryl group. That is called primary amine. Now, for example, this is NH2. Okay, now one hydrogen is replacing by CH3 or C6H5 NH2. So, the functional group which is called NH2, it is amine. That hydrogen group, one more hydrogen, it is replaced by alkyl or aryl. So, this is what it is, methyl group. So, methyl amine. Then, this is what it is, benzene group. This is benzenamine. So, that is the way we can name it. So, what is the functional group of primary amine? NH2. That is RNH2. We can write it in such a way. R means alkyl or aryl. Hope you got it. See here. Now, here benzene with the, what it is, NH2. It is, we can say aniline. What is the name? Aniline. Next one, C6H5CH2 NH2. It is benzyl amine. Okay. Now, we are going to see the secondary amine. As I told, primary amine, only one hydrogen is replaced. That means secondary amine, naturally 2 hydrogens will be replaced. So that is called secondary amine. See here, now ammonia, what is the formula? Just I am bringing from the starting. Okay, NH3, it is ammonia. One hydrogen released means which is a functional group of primary amine, that is called NH2. NH2, wherever it has joined with alkyl or aryl group, it is called primary amine. Now, secondary amine means 2 hydrogen, it has to be replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Now, here for example, CH3 I have written. So, what is the name? This side also methyl, this side also methyl. So, CHNH, that already you have learnt in alcoholic group, hydrocarbon, primary, secondary and all you have learnt. That formula only we are bringing here. Primary means CH2NH2. Secondary means CHNH. Like that you have learnt in primary secondary formula, no? That only we are bringing here. See, this is the way it may combine. NH, CH3, CH. So both the sides CH3, it is called dimethyl amine. Dimethyl amine, naturally it is called secondary amine because both the side it has occupied by methyl group. So that means it is a secondary amine only. Now this is what it is, diethyl amine. Okay, now this side it is aryl group, this side it is alkyl group. So according to the alphabetical order you have to bring it. Methyl phenyl amine. Hope you got it. Now next one, tertiary amine. Naturally you know very well. So here only one hydrogen replaced, here two hydrogens replaced, here naturally three hydrogens replaced. That means nitrogen group only will be available. So that is called tertiary. So that 3 hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. That means there is no hydrogen atom which is attached with the nitrogen. Hope you got it. See here, now 3 methyl group which is attached with nitrogen group. So that means there is no hydrogen atom attached to that nitrogen. That means this is called tertiary. That means 3 hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl or aryl. So that is called tertiary amine. Okay, now what is the name of it? Of course, this is 3 methyl group is there, no? Tertiary amine, that is trimethyl amine. Okay, got it? Next one. Next one, it is benzene group also is there. Here 2 methyl group also is available. So that means how will you write it? Dimethyl phenyl amine. Can you see? Here dimethyl phenyl amine. Okay, here CH3, N CH3, here also CH3. That means there is no hydrogen atom. Remember that for tertiary amine, there is no hydrogen atom attached with the nitrogen. So that is called tertiary. You remember that trick, so you will come to know. Now this side, methyl group is there, ethyl group is there, aryl group, that is phenyl group is there. So how will you name that? According to alphabetical order. So ethyl, methyl, phenyl amine. Hope you got it. Okay, ethyl, methyl, phenyl amine. Okay, now how to identify the primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, you know thoroughly. Okay, now what is that amines, which is derivative of ammonia, which is replaced by hydrogen, that is replacing hydrogen, in that place alkyl or aryl group will sit over there. So that is called amine. So based on that classification, primary amine only one hydrogen is replaced, secondary amine 2 hydrogens are replaced, and tertiary amine 3 hydrogens also replaced. In that place, replacing place, which is alkyl or aryl group, will sit over there. Hope you got an idea about that amines. Okay, now the functional group. Functional group, that means primary amine, it is RNH2. Secondary amine, it is NH2 or R, both the side. And tertiary amine, there is no NH. So that means this is the functional group of amines. You know very well. Now, based on the substituent group. So what are the idea you may get that? Aliphatic amine, aromatic amine, and mixed amine. Aliphatic amine means only aliphatic group which is attached with the amine functional group. Aromatic means only aromatic group, which is C6H5 ring structure. It will join in that amino group. Mixed means both aliphatic as well as aromatic. Okay, now for example, aliphatic. So aliphatic means here CH3NH2. So this is a aliphatic amine, not primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Anyway, it's a common. See here, only aliphatic group, that means number of carbon will be less, that is CH3NH2. Here NH, both the side methyl group, dimethyl amine. Next one here, what it is? Nitrogen atom, that means there is no hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is replaced by all alkyl groups. So that is called what it is, aliphatic amines. Now aromatic amines we are going to check. Aromatic amines, now that aromatic amine means this is called aniline, benzene ring attached with NH2. It is called aniline. Okay, now this is a aromatic amines. Okay, now mixed amine means alkyl plus aryl. That means these both combined, it is called mixed amine. So that is, we can say aryl-kyl group. That means here you see benzene group attached with the CH2, that is attached with amine. So that means benzyl amine. Hope you got this. Now next one. Okay, the next topic, it is structure of amines. Structure of amines or NH2. It's a common example. Okay, when we are talking about structure of amine, these are the main 3 points we are going. Whatever, whether it is amine or aldehyde or ketone or alcohol, whatever it is, structure when we are talking about, these are the 3 main points we are going to discuss. What is that hybridization? What is the shape of it? What is the bond angle? Okay, before all these to diagnose, we just write that formula, that is N. All these hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. I have written. Now this is a lone pair of electrons. You know very well this is nitrogen is having 2 lone pair of, that is 1 lone pair of electrons, that is 2 lone pair. Okay. Now first one, in amines, nitrogen atom undergoes sp2 hybridization. Sorry, sp3 hybridization. How come it is possible? Sp3 hybridization. Okay. The 4 hybrid orbitals are formed directed towards the 4 corners of the regular tetrahedron. So what is the shape of his regular tetrahedron? It has mentioned. How is it possible? 3 of these hybrid orbitals are used for the bonding with the hydrogen or carbon atom depending upon the composition of the amines. Now, nitrogen atom is there. Nitrogen atom is attached with 3 hydrogen atom or alkyl or aryl group, which is attached. So, that means 3, it is a bonded part. 1 which is unpaired, that means bonded electrons are there, 1 pair it is. Okay, now the 4th orbital of nitrogen in all amines contains an unshared pair, that is lone pair of electrons, resulting the pyramidal shape of the amines. Okay, now according to the Whisper theory, the repulsive force among the different electron pair or in order, that is actually lone pair. Next one, lone pair, bond pair. Next one, bond pair, bond pair. So this is according to that Whisper theory, how that repulsive force among the different electron pairs in the order. Okay, now here due to the higher lone pair bond, due to that higher lone pair bond pair, this is a lone pair and this is a bond pair of repulsion. So as it is there in the lone pair, it is pushing towards downwards. Okay, so tetrahedral distributions of sp3 hybrid orbitals get distorted. Actually it is a tetrahedral, what it is, trigonal shape which is getting, because of this lone pair, it is pushing towards downwards. Distribution of sp3 hybrid orbitals gets distorted, resulting in the reduction of bond angle. Actually, what is the angle? 109 degree. It is called 109 degree 28 point. Okay, to 108 degree it changes because of the, what it is, it's distorted, it is repulsive force from lone pair to bond pair. Okay, this takes place in the case of triethyl aniline, okay, amine or whatever. Bulkier, these are all bulkier group. Due to this, steric repulsion increase in the bond angle takes place. Okay, now this is actually, what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. What is the shape? So the hybridization of amines, it is sp3 hybridization, and shape, it is a tetrahedral. Bond angle, it is 109 degree 28.2 108, that is because of the distorted of lone pair to bond pair. Hope you clear this. This is actually Vesper theory, which is lone pair to bond pair, lone pair to lone pair, which is greater than lone pair to bond pair, which is greater than bond pair to bond pair. 11th standard, you have learnt all those points. Okay, hope you got this. Okay, now we are going to discuss about IUPAC names of the amines. Okay, now this is CH3NH2. CH3NH2, it is called what it is? Methylamine. This is a common name, but when it comes to that IUPAC name, common name we can say alkyl plus amine, alkanamine, we can write it. So this is called methanamine. Methanamine. Okay, so this is the way we have to name that. Next one, this is ethyl group. So we can say what it is? Ethyl amine. So it is called what it is? Ethanamine, correct. Ethanamine. Okay, next one. This is 3 carbons are there. So naturally it is propyl amine. So here propanamine. Okay, next one. When it comes here as a branched, here how will you write it? How many carbons are available? Here 3 carbons are available. So how will you write it? This is 3 carbons means naturally it is propyl, isn't it? When it comes to the branching, so propyl, isopropyl, what can we say? Isopropyl amine. Okay, but when it comes to that IUPAC name, here actually what it is? Propane. AN only, no. AN means single bond. EN means double bond. Y, that is a triple bond, it will be different. That is alkane, alkene, alkyne, YN. Okay, so here propane, second carbon only amine group is attached. Propane to amine. Okay, it is a small letter, you have to write it. Propane to amine. Okay, next one. Here CH2 double bond CH2 NH2. Here double bond it is available. That means double bond means what it is? Alkene. No, alkene, one more name. Allyl also we can give the name. So what is it? Allyl, it is a double bond. Okay, allyl. Allyl amine. Okay, now what is this IUPAC name? Here how many carbons are available? 3 carbons are available. Naturally prop. That is a double bond or a triple bond. Double bond, it is ene. And then where it is attached, amine, the last. So how can you name this? Prop 2 ene 1 amine. Got it? Now you just check it how many carbons are there, parent chain, that you have to check, and then according to that you have to name that, and where it is attached, that you have to check, and whether it is in or yen or ein, you just check it. Okay, actually a IUPAC name, it's very easy if you know the trick. What I have given for aldehyde and ketone trick I have given, just watch that video. Next one C6H5NH2, common name it's called aniline. Now here a IUPAC name benzenamine. See, common name of IUPAC name. IUPAC name, it's how you can write it here. I have mentioned alkanamine. Alkanamine, that means alkane is there. No, ane. See here, ethane, propane, butane. So that last E you just remove that. In that ethanamine, methanamine, benzenamine. Here that's what I brought it that name. Benzene. E I have removed. In that I have written amine, benzenamine. Okay, common name what it is called? Aniline. Okay, the last one, it is H2N CH2 6 times NH2. It is hexane. Okay, hexamethylene diamine. Okay, hexamethylene diamine, because both the side amines are there. So hexamethylene diamine. So what is the IUPAC name here? Here you check it, hexane. Hexane 1 and 6 diamine. You can ask, here E it is coming, no. Why? What is that? Actually, it is directly attached to the edge. But here, both the side it is attached. That is what it is. Amines, both the side it is attached. And one more thing, common name of alkanamine, here hexane, the 2 times it is coming. That's what diamine. Okay, hexane 1 6, that means 6 times means first side also amine group is there, last side also amine group is there. Suppose if you have written in an expanded way 1 6 diamine, this is the way you can write. Hope you got this idea. Next one, you just take screenshot so that it will be easy for you to understand. See, this also it's very easy to mention. See, NH, both the side alkyl group is available. So how can you name that? One thing I'll tell you, both the side if it is there means one side you give the name N. The second part you just give alkanamine name. Okay, so that means what it is? N-methyl methanamine. Got it? N. See now, this is methyl group attached with N. So, N-methyl, this is N-methyl methanamine. Okay, methyl amine, so it is called methanamine. That is the way you can give. Now, second one, CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. Now, here also you just check it, which is that parent group is longer, that you have to take it for what it is. Now you have give the priority for whichever longer group, that means you should take it as a parent group. So ethanamine, you just take it ethanamine, then you have to give the priority for the first one, N-methyl. So N-methyl ethanamine. Got it? Okay. Now next one, both the side ethyl group is there. How can you name this? So both the side ethyl group is there also. Here how can you write it? N-ethyl. So one hydrogen. Here the same thing here. What it is methyl group, here ethyl group. So N-ethyl ethanamine or N-ethyl ethanamine. Okay. So here ethanamine. Here N-ethyl. Got it? N-ethyl ethanamine. Now next one, here also the same. Come on, you just give the name. N here, which is a longer group. The second one and third one same. Okay. Now the second one, what it is? Ethyl group is there. Here propyl group is there. Whom you have to give more priority? This you have to write it at the last. Propanamine. Propanamine. Here N-ethyl. N-ethyl propanamine. Got it? Now you know how to write it. So this part, let it be at the last name, and which is the least group of number, that is number of carbon will be less, that you have to bring it in the first one. Now here it is what it is. Come on, tell. Now nitrogen group attached with that 3 methyl group. So can you say this? This also you bring the same formula. 1 methyl group attached with nitrogen. That means N-methyl. See, the first group you have to give the name what it is, methanamine. Only one part you take it as a priority. What it is? Methanamine. Okay. Now here both the methyl group attached. That means N dimethyl methanamine. N dimethyl methanamine. That is what I mentioned. See here, the same thing here also. N-methyl ethanamine. Here also N-methyl methanamine. Here N-methyl ethanamine. Here N-ethyl ethanamine. So we have to take first which part it is correct, that you have to bring it in the last. Then you have to bring another part. Next one here. How will you bring here? This side also ethyl group, this side also ethyl group. And here first thing, which is the highest thing, that you bring it as a first one. Now for example here what it is? See here, now you take it as a ethanamine. Okay, now this part only you take it as a ethanamine. Next one, N-methyl, N-ethyl ethanamine. That's all. Here N-ethyl, ethyl, N-methyl. Got it? N-ethyl, N-methyl methanamine. Okay, now according to the alphabetical order. Okay, now you know, got it? Now the next one, you come on, do it on your own self. Here CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Here also CH2, CH3. Now how will you name this? All these three sides are ethyl group only is there. So one group you take it as a ethanamine. Okay, now here how will you write it? N diethyl ethanamine. Got it? Now hope you got the clear idea. First you have to take ethanamine or methanamine or what, propylamine or whatever it is, propanamine. Just you bring it one part, let it be, and the last one. Then another part, whichever it is, check you, whichever it is relevant, according to that you bring it. The last one, come on, you do it on your own self. Now here CH2, CH2, CH3, here CH2, CH3, CH2, it is ethyl group, it is propyl group, here methyl group. How will you name this? Now propanamine, I will write it here, propanamine. Propanamine. Why I have given propanamine? Because a parent chain which is longer, that you have to take it first. Then N-methyl, N-ethyl or N-ethyl according to the alphabetical order. N-ethyl N-methyl propanamine. Okay, hope you got clear idea about how to name IUPAC name of amines. Okay, just go through thoroughly, take that screenshot if you want. Just get an idea, watch repeatedly so that you will remember very clearly.